Today I will be presenting my project for local 5G AIoT. So I will start I will start from the script. And I will start opening my project by using the MPK file that I sent to the lecturer. So this is a Google Drive. So I just click it and download. And it will be downloading very well. And check on your download. So as you can see, we have downloaded these. And we'll go to our mandate. And we will open app locally. Then this is the file that we downloaded and locally on this. Opening now and import. And you can start using the app. So we run it first. So before I go through my application, I will do some introduction. So for my mandates, we have implemented user registration and login and Google Map integration without using MySQL or Node-RED. So instead of using these, we have used the mandates built-in database. So as you can see, we just click on advanced and start built-in database server viewer. Okay, so these are the table that we've created, and these are the information that we'll be storing inside, like the user and the login registration, all the map it will be storing inside. So to handle authentication, make the process more streamlined and efficient. So we don't need like go through the Node-RED anymore. So because we're not using a MySQL and we don't need to store inside the MySQL as well. So we just do everything inside the Mandy. So it's more streamlined and more efficient. And just build the app. So this is a login page or authentication page. So if you are the new member, then you just sign out. Jing Shen 123 123 and set out the password 123 122. We test whether the confirm password is working. So it's not working, so it's saying must be same. So we just put it as same. Okay, it's already in use, then we change another one. Okay. Alright, they say the username already in use. Okay, then we try login. And we're able to log in now. So this is the main feature that the user have. So if you want to know the congestion, you want to check the congestion level, you can just type in the coordinate string. Like I already copy and paste from my previous one. So this is the coordinate string for Singapore, and this is the coordinate string for Johor Bahru. So you just click check. So currently it's showing green. It's because we don't have the image for the congestion, so it's showing green as a default. And just put in the name and check, and still green. Okay. Then if you check the congestion level, like this one. So this one is like only one car, so it should be showing normal. So the traffic is normal and the line is still green. What about we paste another one with more congestion? This one. It will be saying the traffic is high. It's more than 21. So the line of the color will change it to red, indicate the congestion level is high. And we bet we log out and we log in as admin. So this is the default admin account. So we just max admin. As you can see, this is the page where the admin can manage all the user. And these are the user that we created before. And these are the some user that we have created. So if you want to check whether which user has already here, then we just type some name. Oh yeah, then as you can see, we have able to search a name. We have been able to search a member by using their name. And what you can do inside here, so as you can see, we can even change the role. So I can change it to the customer. And you can change the password for the user as well. And the username, everything. So since the admin has a more power, so there's then technically can do everything in on the behalf of the user. Then we can also like as an admin, you can also create a new local user without going through the authentication page, need to sign out again. So you can just like type the new user here. And you can assign a role with to them. I will choose the customer and United States and the time zone and password will be 123 123. So we will be using to log in to test whether okay to test whether the user is valid or not. As you can see, the random 111 is here and the role is customer. Okay, we will try login again. Yeah, we're able to log in. And okay, let's admin one. Okay, then if I can also change the active whether the status of this user is blocked or active. So if I change it to block, it will no longer be logged in. Okay. The username or password you enter is correct because we have changed the status of these accounts as a block. So these are the feature that the admin have, and it can actually like just like manage all the customer and all the people that inside this system. Yeah. The admin side, you can also change the password of the guy. Let's say if I change it to 1234 and 1234, like the previous password was like 123, then we just change it. So as you can see, we got the information saying the password has been outdated. And okay, and we save. And we log out again. Junction 123, try login again. Oh, it's incorrect. And 1234. Now we able to log in. And let's admin. And if you don't want the user to be existing anymore, then you can just select and show in the gray area and delete it. Yep. And you can change the role of the user as well. So if you change it to the admin, select, copy this, save. So it's showing administrator and change it and paste the name 123, sign in 1234. Okay, so now this account able to log in as an admin now. And the other thing is we in this Google Map this widget and we have to get how do we get this Google Map, Maps API access key? So we have to use it from by 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 login as by registration as a new user inside the Google API. Then we can get this Map API access key. There's a lot more step. There's a lot more step. Then in order to do that, we have not only the map. After showing the map, you have to integrate the dynamically show the line based on the user input like I did just now. So like I did just now, like I did just now. So if you want to show something like this, right, you have to take this as an account. So this one is a Singapore and this one is a Johor Bahru. That's the hard part. So you have to take this as an account and show dynamically instead of just like hard coded. And as we don't prefer with using hard coded. It's just like based on the Map API, we try to show it dynamically based on the user input. Like if I type in Singapore, they will be showing Singapore instead of just like a hard coded thing like type in Singapore. And if want to change check another thing is like I want to show dynamically is like the color of this line. So like we mentioned before, the green color means like the congestion level is normal and the red color is like the congestion is heavy. So how do we do that? So this is another using like we have to by using another microflow in our mandates in order to show that. So this on dynamically instead of just like hard coded. So okay, then we just like try to look at a microflow. So these are the microflow that we are using now. So we just call the rest and from the code project AI, then we retrieve it and we just like analyze it. Cause from from the code red project the code project I already give us the data, so we just need to analyze it based on the data that is given us. So it's more than exact number, then we show the green. If it's less than exact number, we show the green. If it's more than exact number of the color, then we show the red. So that's all about it. Thank you.